What I'm hoping to accomplish today is start weaving these vining roses down and around, making like a giant ponytail of roses coming down and around, shorter on one side, draped all over the floor on the other, and just a giant, massive bouquet of roses around the urn here. Don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. We're going to figure it out as we go today. What my attempt is on the first layers to build a structure, kind of like a netting of sorts. So the shorter stems, this is going to be a very, very heavy sculpture. I don't even know if the wood table that I built out of Bubingo is going to hold it. So I can get shorter and shorter and actually fill more space. That way this explodes, that explodes. This will come around, I don't know, I'm intending like a tapering curtain on the front. With this giant network, I want it to be all roses. And it looks like I'm going to have a huge area to fill. So now I'm going to start jumping, lacing back and forth, trying to create a network and a structure. Hopefully that'll be able to support some weight, because I don't know if it's going to be off center. Everything here is a guessing game. I have no idea as I'm going. I've never done this before. So we'll figure it out as we go. If it fails, we'll take it apart and do it again. There's nothing we can't undo that we are going to do. Problem I'm running into now that I've got my rough vining frame laid in, it's getting way too thick with the long. I've got everything from 6 foot to 2 foot, maybe even 18-inch stems, but it's starting to get way too thick and chaotic, really. So I'm gonna cut them down to 12 inches and then start trying to fill, because I want all this filled in, maybe even more. Might even start bringing more back in from here at a slighter tapering angle. I don't know, just figure it out as we go. Getting ready to get back at it here this morning. See, we're not filling in very good, so I'm going to come back in and add a lot more layers. I thought I was going to run short on roses. Ends up I've had 126 of the 502 roses I've built. So yeah, I got plenty of roses. So I'm going to start filling all this in, extending widening out the ponytail here a little bit more, the wraparound of the vine, then filling the top end, because I want this solid running over. So we'll just get back at it. I got to shorten a lot of these up because the 6 foot, 4 foot, 3 foot vines already made are too long. It's starting to be too clustered. So I'm starting to knock them down to 12 and 18 inch, rethread each end, add the roses, starting to weave them in and out, trying to hold them and make it look a lot less cluttered, a lot less chaotic. So here we go, another big day. Just get started.
New videos are going to be posted every week on Wednesdays, 10 a.m.